the fuck to mount it. I'm just gonna stick it there. What's the welder?
Oh my.
Oh no, fix it. That's it. Nah, that won't hold it. We tried that last night.
He's not kidding either. It blew off right in the driveway.
Yeah, you don't believe me. Right here's the other half of it.
Here's some shit.
There's the other half of it.
That's funny.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah, we're going over to Eli's today.
Where's Eli's?
Halfway across town. We're gonna ride the tractor.
We got this.
I don't think.
I do. I think we got this. Oh, the welder.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I can weld, but this isn't it. Plug in the muddy extension cord.
It's gonna be very bright for me.
Fucker won't go.
Have we tried to record a weld?
Yeah, it doesn't work the best.
This is what I'm about to do with.
Ready to get my helmet now.
Well, fixing the tractor.
This is my mower.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, it's alright.
Hold on. Gotta get a close up.
Yeah, it broke, but I'm not worried about it. It's fine.
Look at the gas tank mount. A little bit of duct tape never hurt nobody. Do you want to see the key switch? Cross those two together, it starts right up. Most of the time.
Yeah, occasionally she don't start.
Who gives a damn? Oh my.
It just has to stay on there.
They can look at it.
It doesn't sound good.
Can't even see this. Can't even watch this screen.
Why? It's too bright?
Yeah, it's fucking bright. Watch.
It's all white.
Can't be good for the camera.
Who cares? Where'd you get this one at?
The camera?
Yeah.
It's Dollar General. I think it works pretty good for being from Dollar General.
What did you pay for it?
$25. I think it was worth $25, don't you?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I know.
It's good.
Are you sure?
Probably not.
That's an exhaust fix. I think the wheel might hit it.
It'll stop.
Fuck it.
Don't worry about
Hey, this used to be an 8-horse.
it. Show me 8-horse.
Where's the 8? Oh my. You guys want to see the original motor? There she is. What happens when you don't feel like fixing garbage?
Hopefully exhaust cable.
Start her up.
Nah. Yeah, okay.
Start this piece of garbage. Oh my.
I gotta get the key.
Gotta get the key out of the seat.
Could be an issue. I can't waste the battery. I have limited.
Yeah!
That switch will never work on this thing. No matter how many times I try.
Why won't it?
I don't know. It pisses me off.
Runs pretty good. It's quiet now. Should have heard it last night.